Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy Jeremy, and in today's video we'll be doing the market outlook for four major pairs, which is basically GU, EU, gold, and GBPJPY. So we're going to see our projection for the next week and know how we'll be able to navigate the market. So as we can see right now on the weekly time frame, we have this price action. So that means we are trading within this range because we add a break of structure to the downside. Sorry about that. So now, here is our target, isn't it? Here's our terminus. Possibly, price is supposed to come take out all this liquidity. So let's look at what market did here. We had a break of structure here on the weekly. We had a break of structure there. Then for last week price action, we add another break of structure to the upside. So that means the current trend is what? Bullish. Now what do we have here? This is where price originated from, this point, taking out this inducement liquidity here before going to the external, which is this point. Now if we drop down to the daily, what do we have here? We can see that price took out this liquidity point here. Then we add a break of structure to the upside, creating a change of character here. Creating a change of character, right? And when a change of character happens, we know that we have something called what? A breaker block. And guess what? Price respected the breaker block on the daily time frame, right? Breaker block respected, and after price tapped into the breaker block, sent price up high. So let's go to the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, what do we see? We see similar activity here. We see price taking out this low, right? And we see price taking out this high, break of structure. Price filling this fair value gap, made a deep dive, and what? Went up. This is on the 4 hour time frame. So if we go back to 1 hour time frame, what do we see here? Now I see two possible zones for a buy continuation. The first zone is here. The first zone is at this point because we have this price movement. We have this price movement here. Price coming down, breaking structure, coming down, breaking structure. So apparently this is our inducement leg. So I'm expecting this to happen next week. I'm expecting price to rally down, take out this liquidity, and boom. Or if this zone fails, then we will be buying from what? This extreme zone to continue the what? To continue the uptrend on GDP USD. So this is what I'll be looking out for next week. These are my two possible buy zones. So let's go to Euro USD. On the weekly time frame, what do we have? We have price taking out this low, and we have price taking out this high. We have a change of character, right? On the weekly, When we go to the daily, we have a breaker block aligning with what? A fair value gap, which price actually reacted upon. So basically, we know that this is our target here. This is our drawn liquidity, which is our buy side liquidity. The price is expected to take high and continue up the trend. Now we'll go to the 4 hours. What do we have here? We can see that we have another change of character on the 4 hours around this point, which is also what? A breaker block being represented here. And what did price do? Price reacted perfectly on the breaker block and started moving up. So these are our liquidity points that are expected to be taken out next week. So when I go to my 1 hour, I'm expecting price to possibly go up and take out this low before continuing. Yes, this is my inducement liquidity, and this is a possible zone to continue my buy from. This is a possible zone to continue my buy from on Euro USD. Let's take a look at gold, the golden boys. On the weekly time frame, we had this sweep. On the weekly time frame, we had this sweep, and we had this sweep. So we had this sweep and market pushed up, then price consolidated, sweep here. What's the next thing? Market is expected to what? Push up. So this is our target, right? We had a sweep here, market broke structure. We had another sweep, market broke structure. Let me drop down to the daily so you can see clearly. So this is our sweep, market broke structure. And in breaking of structure, we had what? A breaker block, which was respected accurately. And what's happening here? Market expected to take out this high on the daily. Let's go to our 4 hours. On the 4 hours, apparently, market swept this low, and this is the high. So we are having our breaker block here, aligning with what? With a fair value gap, right? So I'm expecting price to come within this range. I assume here is going to be my inducement. So I'm expecting to see price do something like this for the new week, tap into this discount before going to the final terminus, which is the buy side liquidity. So this is what I'm expecting on gold US. So the market has been consolidating within this range, within this range. So if I drop down to the daily time frame, what do we have here? Okay. On the daily time frame, I can see that for the current range, price swept this liquidity. Price swept this liquidity and price broke structure here, right? To the upside. Price broke structure to the upside. So if we drop down to the 4 hours, let's see what we have here. You can see that price is coming down to the discount. So we are still in a consolidation phase, which is actually risky to take trades because it will be safer to take trades when market has taken out this high or taken out this low. But for me to take trades, I would have to go down to lower time frames to take short moves. Okay. So for me to be able to do anything here, I have a sweep of liquidity at this zone. I have a sweep of liquidity at this zone. So when price comes down to this region, and it gives me a entry confirmation, then I could buy and continue the trend upward. If not, I'll sit at the sidelines and watch the market. So if you've gotten value from this video, please kindly subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments, and you know what to do. Share this video for those who need it. See you in the next video.